Hey, you me. What up, world? It's your boy Town. Hey, get it in NY Fashion. You already know what it is. All day, every day. Check it. Placed in a situation to get reckless. Introduced to a game where every day you pride tested. Taking days off to myself cause I need it. Trying to make a way out of none. They say I'm dreaming. Attacking the same lies that changed our description. True black hustler, my national depiction. Caged in affliction, the life of my existence. And I'm all around this motherfucker as far as extension. Pulled over on the way to work. Insane, they love to see the best hurt. Young dude persisted, it don't phase me. Walking like a motherfucker only cause I let the money persuade me. Celebrating my days as if I'm living my last. So if they bury me today, know I was ready to pass. I'm having flashbacks of cash stash and backpacks, laughing at jacks trying to stress me. Too much hard to get defeated. Success part of my character, why it's repeated. I got one job to make it through 4 seasons. Lot of goals, little time, filling holes of riddle minds. You working to break me, better work harder. If I took a loss, probably was my fault, but no, I came to go farther. Hey, you me, what up?